Welcome to Little Letters channel.
Hi guys, let's have some fun with numbers. Do you know how to do addition? What is addition? Let's do it together. What is addition? It is when we combine two or more numbers to find their total.
If I have 4 bags and you have 4 bags, how many bags do we have? What is 4 plus 4? 8. If we have 5 soccer balls and they give us 2 more soccer balls, how many soccer balls do we have? We have 7. If I draw 3 hearts and draw 4 more hearts, how many hearts did I draw in total? I drew 7 hearts. If I saw 2 stars and you showed me 3 more stars, how many stars did I see in total? I saw 5 stars. If I draw 6 smiley faces and another 4 smiley faces, how many smiley faces did I draw in total? If I rescue 1 cat, and then I rescue 2 more cats, how many cats did I rescue in total? I rescued 3 cats. If there's 5 stars on the sky and then 1 more star appears, how many stars are in the sky? There is 6 stars. If I draw 9 hearts and then nothing, how many hearts did I draw? I drew 9 hearts because 9 plus 0 is 9. If I don't have a guitar and you bring 1 guitar, how many guitars do we have? 1 guitar, because 0 plus 1 is 1.
Well done, friends. I had so much fun learning with you. See you next time. Bye.